Hello everyone, this fine day. I hope you all doing well. I've been back again. I want to drop this simple gold price action here, whatever we are expecting on this week. So we kind of see that we have been on a bearish market. You can see we've been on a bearish market even weekly. We've been on a bearish market. So whatever is happening is that the market doesn't move on a straight line. So you can see we have this fast top high, another high, another high, almost closing as a double top, which pushes the price here. So we can call this our neckline in this area here. We can use this as our neckline if we have to. So what I'm expecting on this market is that before we push down, the market has to move up a little bit. So I'm expecting gold to get back to around 1885 so that before we start pushing down and see. So this is one of my main area of interest, 1885 here, as you can see, on even on 4 hour time frame. This is my important area here. As you see, I'm expecting price to push maybe a day or 2 days for price to reach this level so that maybe I can put in my short position. So I don't have anything, so I just have to wait for this market to get around this area so that I can push, because I expected maybe to have reversals from around here, which didn't happen. So it means that the price is supposed to shoot up a little bit so that price supposed to shoot up a little bit up to 1885, then we go below maybe, yeah, and and more. So this is my analysis on gold. Sorry, my voice is not that good. On GBP JPY, as you can see, on GBP JPY, I've not been trading GBP JPY for some time now. I can say for almost 2 or 3 weeks. Yeah, now we're heading because you can see we have this kind of a pattern on GJ that is happening on the. You can see it doesn't look quite good for me. It's not tradable. So as I had these buy push-ups, these areas which I did, I missed this one. I missed this one. Yeah, which I missed this long. This was last week. I missed this long. So I was expecting maybe the market to get to this area or here so that at least we can get to push out and see whether we are going to have a breakout on this level. We're going to have a breakout on these levels, you see, because the market hasn't still filled the orders, hasn't still cleared these areas here, this zone here. We can see when we have a very, and we had a very gap which has not been filled yet. You can see we have a gap that hasn't been filled yet. So I'll just have to wait and see how GJ is supposed to move, because I was expecting it to clear this level. So yeah, GJ, it's in quite on a very, it has a very big range on consolidation. So I just give it a pass on that. So, and also I'll go on GBP, on Euro USD. Euro USD is developing quite good, it's looking quite solid. We are going to get that, those good high premium setups. So as you can see, we had this bearish trend here, just looking up on some reversals, and the market soon and clearly we will have, say we will have a fully developed market, as you can see, because this is the main high. We can't use this. We have this high, we have this and this, just waiting to see whether the market is supposed to get around to these areas before I start shorting. Yes, I'm leaving this. So let me, to be honest, on my analysis, on my views, like we kind of having a bullish market. We are kind of having a bullish market this week, because also we are expecting a lot of economic data, as you can say. Yeah, we have expecting, we have, yeah, this week we have the FOMC this meeting, we have the PPI, we have the CPI, which is very much more volatile. It's a very major news. We have BOC, BOE, CB, EBC. Yeah, it's quite a more of a economic week. So just wrap up, guys. Take care of your market. Remember, the most important thing in trading is taking care of your capital. Yeah, you have to take care of your capital because when these markets get, we are in kind of a consolidation, especially on JPY pairs. So as you can see on even on Euro, you can see on USD JPY. Just make sure that before anything happens or before you get to lose your money on anything, ask yourself, what will I do when the markets start moving? What will I do when the markets start moving? Will I have enough capacity or enough funds to trade? That's the most important thing. Okay, bye bye, guys. Watch this, share, and subscribe.